Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's about 1 a.m. I just got off of work and I could not go to sleep without getting something done tonight. So we gonna hop right into it, y'all. Instead of using my usual P. Louise base shades, I did do something different and use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Bisque. I applied that over both eyelids, and I am going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics blending brush to go ahead and blend that out nicely on the eyelids before I put down any color or any type of eyeshadow shade. So once I do get that nice and blended in the way I want it and it looks really nice, I'm gonna go ahead and get this other eye nice and blended so that both eyes are blended very well. Don't mind me. My boyfriend was talking and watching TV at the same time. So, yeah. I'm sorry, y'all. So, yeah, I'm just going to make sure these eyes are nice and blended because I don't want to put the shadow on top of the eyelids and it doesn't pop, should I say. So, I got to get these colors to pop for the look I'm going to do. So, once that's nice and blended, I am going to go over to my James Charles palette and I am going to be starting off in the shade No Beans. That is like a brown color. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that in at the top. I just leave just enough space between my brow and the top of my eyelid so that it doesn't look too close and touching next to the brow. So now I'm going to go in with the 10% off shade and blend that in as well right under the No Beans. So I blend that and I make sure both of them nice and blended and smooth, not too rough. And after I blend that, I grab a fresh brush and I blend some more. These are e.l.f. brushes, so e.l.f. brushes are pretty good when it comes to blending. Now I'm going to go in with my jet black eyeliner gel. And I'm going to pop that right on the bottom of my eyelid. Just enough. I don't want to go all the way up. I just want to give like a little. Just to, not make it too much. And once I pop those on the bottom of my eyelids, I go in with a blending brush and I blend that gel out. Yes, I blend it out so that it looks, nice and neat, nice and clean. And that those colors blend well. If the colors don't blend well, your look will not come out perfect. So after I blend that in, y'all, I go in with a little bit of the Spooky shade right next to No Beans, and I pop that right on top of that black eyeliner gel. And I just blend that in nice and neat. Sometimes you got to get in there and hold that eyebrow up. But hey, blend how you should do what you do, sis. Do you, okay? So I blend some more and I keep blending. Y'all, blending is the tedious part of doing makeup, but hey, you got to do what you got to do, okay? So after blending, I go in and I just add a little bit more of the 10% off. And I blend that in to the rest of that black Spooky shade. Now I'm gonna go in, y'all, and right under my bottom lashes, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that Spooky shade, and I'm gonna work my way down back to my browns. So it'll be Spooky shade, No Beans, and a little bit of 10% off. And that is me blending the bottom of my eyes. I promise y'all I'm gonna get better at this. Y'all just gotta keep rooting for me. Like, I don't mind the criticism or anything like that. I enjoy it. So now back to regular program. I go in and I add a little bit of glitter glue to the middle part of my eyelids, and I go in with some purple and a little bit of black chunky glitter. I mix those two together and I apply that right in the middle. So like I just go in and just apply wherever glitter is needed. That's where I apply. And if it's glue there, I'm gonna go in and apply more glitter. Okay, y'all? Like, I love glitter, and this glitter is chunky glitter. I ordered it off of Amazon And like when I tell y'all, like, it's really nice, it's really nice. So I'm gonna make sure I add that in the details below. All right, so I just mixed those two glitters and it gave me this nice purple blackish concept. So I do hope you guys like this look and enjoy this look, because you know I'm trying to get better at this. Doing makeup is all about getting better, and that's what I'm aiming for, y'all. Like, I just need y'all to keep watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. So now I'm gonna go in with just some foundation powder in the shade Cocoa from Maybelline, and I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, tap that lightly on my face. I didn't want to go too heavy because it is late night and I just got off of work and I just got out the shower, y'all. So I go in and put a little bit of that on, and I clean it up really nice, covering those big that big bump I have on the side of my face. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I hope y'all can't. But yeah, so once I apply my foundation, I go on with my Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. It's in the scent of strawberry and it smells so good. I go ahead and spray that over my face. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I did pop my lashes on off camera. And I just go in and I just make sure that setting spray is blended with the powder foundation so it sits nice. Now I'm gonna go in with a little blush and add it to my cheekbones. This palette I did order from Amazon as well. It didn't have a name on it, so I can't give you guys the name of the palette, but yeah, it works for me. Okay, so after I add that blush to my cheeks, which came out very nice, I did go in with a little highlighter from Wet n Wild and add some highlighter. And now I'm gonna go in with a little dark metallic purple lip gloss and add that to the outer parts of my lips. And I'm just gonna line it up nice, and then I'm gonna go in with my lipstick from MAC. It's in the shade Plum, and I'm just gonna add that to the inside of my lips and blend those two colors together nicely. And just make sure it comes out looking nice. And I'm add a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna go in and clean up that outer corner of the lip so that it doesn't look so all over the place. I just wanted to clean it up and give it that nice touch. And y'all, now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the liquid, and just add a little touch of that to my nose, my nasal area, and it gives it like that nice purplish metallic glow. And y'all, this look is done. Like, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and stay tuned, y'all. Bye.